This video is for safety, demonstration, routine maintenance, and typical use of the KL150E electric keg lifter by Choice Equipment Company. This will not necessarily cover everything about the equipment. Always refer to the owner's manual, follow safety instructions and maintenance procedures. If an issue arises, you should contact the manufacturer before attempting to repair or continue the use of the equipment. If you require, please reach out to the manufacturer to arrange more in-depth or factory training. This is the KL150E electric keg lifter by Choice Equipment Company. It is designed to lift a half-barrel keg up to 54 inches onto a keg shelf. It works with half-barrel, quarter-barrel, sixth-barrel, and pony kegs with the adjustable bracket. The electric keg unit is battery powered but comes with a built-in 120-volt charger. It features all swivel casters for easy maneuverability. Brake pedals on the rear casters to lock the unit into place. A solid, sturdy base for secure lifting and maneuvering. Ergonomic soft grip handles. A red indicator light to show the unit is on. To use the keg lifter, unplug the unit from the wall. Place the cord in the holding strap. Release the caster locks with your feet. Turn the unit switch to the on position. The red indicator light should be illuminated. Lower the lifting bracket if it is not already. Move the keg lifter into position. Align the keg lifter to the keg. Align the height of the bracket to match the handle of the keg. Roll the keg lifter forward until the keg lifter bracket fully engages into the keg. The lower keg support should be touching the keg. Press the up arrow to raise the keg 3 to 4 inches off the ground. Move the keg lifter into position in front of the keg rack. Press and hold the up arrow to lift the keg so the bottom of the keg will clear the shelf by 3 to 4 inches. The lifting controls can be removed to verify the keg is lifted to the proper height. To use, press both brake pedals to secure the unit into place. Remove the lifting controls by sliding the controls up and out of its holder. Position yourself so that you can see the keg and the shelf height. Use the up and down arrow until the keg is in place. Replace the controls back into the holder. Release the caster locks by lifting up with your foot. Then move the lifter so the keg is fully over the shelf. Lower the keg so the keg is firmly placed onto the shelf. Continue lowering the lift bracket so the lifting bracket can be removed from the keg handle. Once the weight of the keg is off the bracket and onto the shelf, and the lift bracket is lined up properly with the keg handle, Slowly pull the keg lifter straight back to remove. To lower a keg off a shelf, rotate the keg on the shelf so the handle is facing out. Move the keg lifter close to the shelf. Using the lifting controls, raise the lift bracket so it is close to the handle height of the keg on the shelf. Slowly move the keg lifter into position to lift the keg, ensuring the lift bracket will go through the center of the keg handle. Once the keg bracket is fully inserted into the keg handle, lift the keg until it is 3 to 4 inches above the shelf. Slowly back the keg and lifter away from the shelf. Ensuring the keg is clear of the shelf and other obstacles, lower the keg until it is 3 to 4 inches off the ground. Move the keg and lifter into the required position. Lower the keg until it is securely in place. Lower the lifting bracket to ensure the bracket will fit through the keg handle. Slowly pull the lifter backwards to remove the lifter bracket from the keg. The KL150E electric keg lifter by Choice Equipment Company is battery powered and comes with a built-in charger. Once you're finished using the keg lifter, return the keg to the storage location. The storage location should be located outside the cooler next to a 120 volt outlet. Lock the rear casters on the lifter. Turn the switch to the off position. Plug the unit in so the batteries can charge. The unit requires 10 to 12 hours to get a full charge, fully discharged. Here are a couple safety rules that you need to follow. Always make sure the keg is securely resting on the flat portion of the keg lift bracket and not the front lip of the keg lift bracket. The front portion of the lifting bracket was designed to keep the keg from slipping off. Never place any part of your body under the lifted keg. Only use the keg for its intended purpose, to lift kegs. Never use the lifter with a low or dead battery. If the unit beeps while trying to lift a keg, the batteries are too low, and the unit needs to be charged. Remove the keg and plug the lifter into the outlet. The lifter uses a chain to lift, but in the event of emergency, the nylon strap keeps the keg from dropping suddenly. Never use the lifter if the wheels or casters are broken. Wheels and batteries can be replaced by a trained technician. Do not permanently remove any parts or safety devices from the keg lifter. Do not operate the lifter if you suspect there is a concern or it is not operating properly. Discontinue use and contact the factory.